Good morning, my dear students. Today we shall discuss the last two sounds in the sounds of vowel. That is the CH and CK sounds. Okay. So follow the page number 20 and 21 of your Montessori 3 English book. Okay. So my dear students, open the book page number 20 and 21. First is the CH sound. Okay, CH sound sounds as ch. Okay, it sounds as ch. CH, CHALK, chalk. CHAP, chop. CHAT, chat. CHAW, chalk. CHARGE, charge. CHANCE, chance. CHARM, charm. CHART, chart. RICH, rich. BITCH, beach. DITCH, ditch. HITCH, hitch. WHICH, which. WITCH, which. LURCH, lurch. SEARCH, search. CHURCH, church. Okay, my dear students, here are the words in which the CH is used in the first letters, as the first letters. Okay, and here CH is used as the last letters. Okay, and here T is not sounded, only beach, BI and CH sounds and T is silent. Okay, beach, ditch, hitch, which. Okay, so you can see the other words. CHECK, check. CHEST, chest. CHEEK, cheek. CHEESE, cheese. BATCH, batch. Okay, CATCH, catch. LATCH, latch. MATCH, match. HATCH, hatch. PATCH, patch. Here also the T is not sounded and BACH, CACH, these are sounded. Okay, batch, catch, latch, match, hatch, patch. Then CHIN, chin. CHICK, chick. CHILL, chill. CHIP, chip. CHIT, chit. CHOISE, choice. CHOIR, choir. CHAIR, chair. CHATTER, chatter. CHAPEL, chapel. BEACH, beach. PEACH, peach. REACH, reach. TEACH, teach. LEECH, leech. BUNCH, bunch. HUNCH, hunch. LUNCH, lunch. MUNCH, munch. PUNCH, punch. Okay, my dear students, these are very easy words. You have to only remember the spellings of these words. Okay, the CH is sounded like ch. Okay, in every word, where it is at the first or in the last. Okay, so then practice time comes. match the rhyming words. Beach, lunch, church, catch. And in other side, search, match, teach, bunch. So you just only match the rhyming words. Okay. Then in the page number 21, the CK sound. CK sound sounds as K. Okay. In every word it sounds as K. Okay. BACK, back. HACK, hack. LACK, lag. PACK, pack. RACK, rack. TACK, tag. BECK, back. DECK, deck. NECK, neck. PECK, pack. CLOCK, clock. FROCK, frog. KICK, kick. LICK, lick. NICK, nick. PICK, pick. SICK, sick. TICK, tick. COCK, cock. DOCK, dog. LOCK, lock. MOCK, mock. ROCK, rock. SOCK, sock. BUCK, buck. DUCK, duck. LUCK, luck. SUCK, shuck. TUCK, tuck. And TRUCK, truck. Okay, these are very easy words, my dear students. You just read and write. Okay, and remember the spellings. Okay, and in the below fun time, there is fun time. Complete the crossword and write the words formed. Okay, here are some numbers 1 2 3 4. 1 means C dash O dash K. Okay, and C dash. Okay, you have to fill these words and write down in the 1 2 3 4. Okay, serially you can write. And in the hard copy I have written also the words. You read and write it repeatedly. Then I have given some homeworks. Okay, number 1, write 20 words using CH and CK sound. You can easily write, my dear. Okay, then number 2, write 3 rhyming words each. Okay, whole, sell, feel, none. You know very well, you can write it easily. Okay, 3 rhyming words each. Then number 3, write 2 words using each sound. You can write 2 words each using these sounds. Okay, TS sound, CK sound, LL sound, SH sound and SS sound. You can write 2 words using TS sounds here. Okay, then CK you can write 2 words. Okay, you can write this very easily. Okay, then in the next class we shall start the 3rd chapter. Okay, 3rd chapter, the A N B. Okay, till then, bye.